जी हाँ, I'm very excited. मैं खरीदना चाहती हूँ. I don't even know when it's coming out soon, and I can't wait to see what happens.
Okay, we're going to catch up with you now. I have a question when we finish. Okay. Please, guys, please. Are you superstitious? Do you have any superstitions?
I'm really excited to see the next in the series.
Have you read the books?
I've read all of the books.
Movies or books?
Yeah, you know, books are kind of, your imagination is limitless, so it can transport you to places that, movies in some ways are limited, but I think they've done a fantastic job with the books.
If I give you a magic wand, what will you do with it?
I wouldn't know what to do with it. I might transport it into chopsticks and eat some Chinese food. Thank you.
हैरी पॉटर मूवी देखने के लिए आप आए हैं. आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं? आप कैसे?
Very excited, इसलिए मैं अभी भाग रही हूँ because I'm gonna miss my apparently picture शुरू हो चुकी है, so I'm just gonna.
हैरी पॉटर की बाकी की फिल्में.
Yes, all of them.
आप कितनी बड़ी फैन हैं आप?
Quite a big fan.
तो आज आप ये मूवी से कैसे टाइप की मूवी एक्सपेक्ट करें?
Obviously a very good movie, नहीं तो मैं देखने नहीं आती. Getting quite excited, getting late. I'm so sorry, मुझे भागना पड़ेगा. I'm sort of rushing. Fine, number 2.
आज क्या एक्सपेक्ट करिए आप हैरी पॉटर से?
Not much. I'm here with my friends and they love Harry Potter. I don't really, because I didn't like the last one and I hope I like this one, others will get really bored.
क्या आपने सारी मूवीज देखी हैं?
Yeah, I have, and that's why I'm not. I wish I hadn't watched it, so I read the book because apparently the book is much better, but now that I've watched it, I can't read the book because.
Anusha, looking gorgeous today.
Thank you.
What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing shorts from Zara, a top from somewhere in London, and my bag is from Australia. And my shoes are from Rome. I love my shoes. Hi, PBS. Congratulations.